In this video, we are going to see how to use different colors in radial gradient. Let's select the radial gradient and go to the image, and from here select any color in that. Just click on here to click on the places where you want to add different colors. The way the gradient is selected, we can view it here. So if I would like to change the color, go to the customized color palette, and from here I am going to select green. Then automatically the green will be selected. If I would like to change the color of here, if I select here, it won't affect. So if I select from the color palette, then it's automatically move on to the next radial gradient. Next I am going to select on the third one. Automatically the selection is now in this color. I would like to change a different colors, dark colors, or I will go with the different colors to make it different where we are. And then I'm going to select this color, so this will be here. I'm going to select a light color, and finally I'm going to select here. That means I have to select here, then only that will be pop up. Then I am going to go with some color like this, and when I move here and the final color is here, then let me go with the green for this. In this way we can select the different color radial gradient in Adobe Captivate.